2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, compass, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.